Tow trucker, we're back at it again. Got another got a no tagger over here. They put wrote tag applied for on some kind of little fake tag. Anyway, they this property, they stickered them I don't know, looks like it stickered them 4 days ago. Gave them 4 days to contact the office, and they quite a few of them. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 7 people out of 14, half the people on my list, contacted the office and got extra time. The people that didn't contact, they're getting towed. Let's go ahead and load this one up. Anyway, I get a lot of comments about how I always look over my shoulder, looking around while I yank cars. Tell you what, if you're out here doing this kind of work and you're not looking around, you're gonna get hit in the back of the head. That's what you don't want to happen. You don't want anybody to sneak up on you and hit you in the back of the head, because that's what happens. Anyway, I just dropped that Honda off. I got somebody videoing me right here. She was getting some video of me dropping that Honda off. But I found somebody parking in the handicap spot. You know how I like those handicap cheaters. So we're gonna go over here and hook this one. I don't know what's gonna happen on it. It's probably gonna be controversial if they come out, but I gotta get a hook on it. We'll see what happens. There it is, right back there. What's going on?
It's my car.
Yeah.
You need to move?
You got stickered the other day, right?
No.
They got pictures of it. They got pictures of the sticker the other day. Basically.
No. What happened?
Oh, he got stickered. I got pictures of this car.
Where?
He parked in a handicap. Just pulled the sticker off. They got pictures. Sticker right here. See right here?
What?
This is where the sticker was at right here, was it not? You know, looks like somebody.
It's a warning.
It was a warning. It was a warning.
Yeah.
You got a handicap placard?
Yeah.
You got a handicap sticker. See right here? It's handicap.
Oh, I'm sorry, so no.
You're gonna have to pay it out.
Yeah, now to move.
It's $100. You want to pay $100? You can. It's $100. Hey, listen, hey, go ahead and get your $100 or I'm gonna tow it. You parked in a handicap spot. You got no handicap placard. Those are special parking.
Okay.
If you want to pay the $100, I'll write a receipt.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Well, she got caught. Got caught in the handicap spot. That's the way it goes. Anyway, this is company. This ain't. You can pay with a card or you can pay cash. Either one you want to pay. I don't know if you want to pay how you want to pay it. 4271. Listen, It's $100.
$100.
It's $100. It's company. Listen. I don't know where you're from. Listen, I don't know where you're from, but listen. Look, come here. Let me show you. Look here. See the sign?
Yeah, I know.
500. 500. If they rate you a ticket. So I'm telling you right now, you got lucky you didn't get a ticket. If you want to pay the 100, you can pay the 100. If not, I'm gonna throw it out.
Okay.
It's up to you. You want to pay the 100?
No, you have the number for the call.
Yeah, I got the number. Yeah. You can call.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you can call right now. Oh, just go ahead. Let me get. Go ahead and just go ahead and call that number, and she'll take payment from you. Just go ahead and call her right here, and she'll call me and tell me to drop.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Mm-hmm.
To move now?
No, go ahead and pay, because I can't move. Okay. I can't move till you pay. Anyway, this rough situation with the parking here. This unit right here is a particularly hard unit because there's not a lot of parking, but that don't mean that you can park in a handicap spot, period. It's gonna be just a minute, one minute. Okay, they got caught in the handicap spot. And it got yanked, so okay. Thank you very much. If you don't want to pay, I gotta go. If you don't want to pay. All right. I got a handicap cheater right here. They're fixing to pay to drop her. I'm fixing to take it to the yard. They're dragging the feet on payment. If I don't get a payment in the next couple, they don't call you in the next 2 or 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and load it up.
Is that fine, man? Is that fine? So we take it to water.
Huh?
It's no nothing there. It's different. This one.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
This one is different. So.
Well, hey, are you handicapped? If you're handicapped, then you're legal.
This one is different. You're not taking my car.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
Warning.
That's fine. Hey, if you ever get a warning, if you ever get a warning, you can't park there.
I called you the office.
You can call the office, but I'm telling you, you park in this spot right here without a handicap placard, hey, she's gonna yank it. What's different? What's different about your car?
You take it the warning.
That means they're coming back. They're coming back. She stickered it 4 days ago, and that means they're coming back to get it. Anyway, you paid it. I'm not going to be. I understand. Hey, what I'm saying is if they ever sticker your car, you got to make sure you don't park in the same spot, because they're gonna have a truck come back later.
It's a lot of cars.
I know. There's not a lot of parking. I know that too. I understand all that. She wasn't real happy about getting towed, about getting yanked, but that's how it goes. Most people are not happy about getting hooked up. She shouldn't have parked in that handicap spot. That she basically admitted she wasn't handicapped, and that she said that it was only a warning she had gotten before. I told her that warning meant next time you do it, you're gonna get towed. Well, she pulled the sticker off, completely disregarded what the sticker said, and parked in that spot anyway. A lot of people think that you can pull the sticker off and continue to do what you want to do, but that ain't how it works. Anyway, I got another one to load up right here. I'm gonna load up this little Eclipse. It's got a busted front end, lowered car, February 18 tag. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this one up and then go back and get my Civic. Anyway, we got that little Eclipse loaded up. We'll go over here and grab my go over here and pick up my little Civic I got. I got a wheel lifter already pulled out and flipped it around, dumped it before I got that handicap cheater.